Look how pretty the water fountain is, Ken.
Right, Barbie?
Can't wait for the lights to come on. It's gonna look so pretty. Well, it's getting darker now. We should be seeing the lights soon.
Yeah, can't wait.
Look at all the pretty birds behind us. What are these birds called again, Ken?
They're flamingos, Barbie. You know that.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. What is this area? What are we even supposed to be doing here?
Maybe we're just supposed to take photos and videos here. That's it.
You're probably right. Look at all the pretty colors. It looks like bubbles or even lollipops. I like when all the colors changes.
Wow, this is so amazing. Where's my cell phone? I have to video all this.
Come on, let's take some pictures, guys. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It's so pretty. I never want to leave. Are you guys having a good time? Yes, Barbie, we are. I can't wait to post these on Instagram so everybody could see it and get jealous. I can't wait. I'm gonna get so many likes and followers. I'm going to be even more popular. Okay, time to go home now.